my camp. We'll see you probably close to a week. It's supposed to snow this weekend. There's a front coming in, so we'll see how much snow's on the tent when we get back. How's it going along here? Pretty well, but I hit a soft spot. The mountain's pretty low. I'd say the snow level was maybe 2,000 feet or so. So the tent is up at 4,800, so I might have a hard time getting there. A few days ago, I had to go up and turn around because the snow was too soft because it was too warm. Now there might be too much snow. I don't know. So we're gonna head up and see if we can get up there. Okay, I made the mistake of not putting on my chains until I got this stuff. So I got stuck. And it's snowing like hell. I haven't aired down yet, which I should. These big Jeeps were behind me, these big Wranglers. Kind of pushed me out of where I usually put my chains on. I wanted to get they stopped. I didn't know where they were going. I was going to let them go ahead, but they just sat there, so I went ahead. But they must have went up that different road. It goes more up toward Cat Hill, but chains make a huge difference. So I'm doing fine now, but I haven't aired down, like I said. I don't know, this is sketchy. It's snowing like a bastard. It's 11, 17, 30 degrees outside. That's what it looks like. You know what, I'm thinking this is kind of a lost cause, because I'm having a hard time down here in the flats. And it's snowing. I think I ought to just turn around and go the frickin' hell home, because I don't think this is a good situation. So I think I'm gonna turn around. Damn it. I don't think air down's gonna help that much. God damn it. All right, let's air down and see what happens. Well, there's what milepost 7 looks like today. Looks like it got shorter again. It's snowing. I have little confidence I'm gonna make it up this hill. I'm gonna try it though. Starting to head up this hill here. I'm gonna lower my tire pressure a little bit, get out my good gauge, lower these all down to 12. Make sure I'm gonna need all the float I can get. This snow's pretty deep, and it's not gonna get any less deep, so I need all the flotation I can get. This is the spot I got stuck in last time. Made it through that. I had to winch myself out using these trees. So there's a lot more snow than there was, but it's colder, so I still have a lot of uphill to go. I'm about a mile from my camp now, so hopefully I can get up this hill. We'll see. I'm amazed I've got this far. I'm gonna see how deep I'm sunk in here. I gotta build a ramp, get out of this hole, get up. See, the snow's firmer right here. Just sometimes there's a hole. I don't know if the water undermines the snow and creates a hole or what the heck. But I'll be out of this in a little bit. All right, this is, I think this is the third time I've been stuck using the high lift jack. I just hit these soft spots. I'm like less than 3/4 of a mile from my freaking camp. I mean, the snow's deep, but there's kind of ice underneath, but you hit these soft spots and then you just sink. So you gotta jack it up, shove snow underneath there. Part of it is I get impatient and go too fast. It's so slow. but I don't know. Probably should turn around, but I gotta shove this ice in here. Just throw some of this icy snow in the hole. Down past the fresh snow. It's surprising that snow will support the Jeep. Okay, only got 2 more to go. Got my RV pad, that helps a lot. Gotta back up a little bit and then fill in our holes. Oh shit. We're all jacked up. Okay, that worked. Backed up a little bit. We'll fill in our holes here. Take it out of the middle. Center. Okay. Okay, we're out of the hole, back up on top again. I don't know what the deal is. If there's water coming across. Let's look. There's the Jeep. I don't know what's up with these holes. They're a pain though. Look at that. Fill this back in so I don't get it coming back down. A good workout. Say that much. Let's try not to get stuck again in the next little bit. This should flatten out pretty soon. It's been all uphill.